Hi, really quick video today. What I'm doing is taking out the 1/2 inch plywood. Gonna bring it outside, cut it up. It's a little warm out. I believe it's like about 35 degrees out there. Woohoo! Summertime is here, but I'm not wearing shorts. So I'm gonna cut out the transom. I'm gonna glue it and screw it, and it'll be on there so I can put the sides on afterwards. So here we go. What I did was I cut out this piece of plywood right here. That was the size of what I need. And then I came in here and I traced it. So I'll get probably about a little bit over. And then I'm going to go outside and cut it. And I'll probably get it really close with the router later on. So hopefully this will work out. So there we have it. The transom is cut out and glued and screwed to the back. It's there permanent, folks. So you can see I got it glued in. You can see on the inside I tried to pick up as much of the glue mess as I could, because I understand it's going to be a lot harder afterwards to clean it out. I got a lot of things here going on. There we go. Oh. Well, folks, thanks for watching. I got the transom on. I'm going to let it dry overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to hopefully start working on the side panels. You have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.